Good evening, I'm Rob Macco. The Cabell County School District reinstated its mask mandate on Monday after it was temporarily lifted.
Our 13 News reporter Lane Ball joins us now. So we know the school board met to talk about modifying this protocol, Lane, but what they decide on?
That's right, Rob, Merrily. During their discussion earlier today, the school board focused on keeping kids in school, and they're doing this by keeping their mask mandate, but with a few changes.
Tuesday afternoon, the Cabell County School Board met to discuss changing their face mask policy. And after some discussion, the board voted to make a few changes.
All those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Motion has been approved.
The board made the decision to keep the mask mandate consistent, meaning staff and students would be required to wear face masks until the beginning of the next semester. The school board's previous protocol brought with it some confusion for some parents. In September, the board required face masks to be worn by all staff and students if their county moved into the orange or red category on the West Virginia DHHR map. The mandate was lifted on November 1st, but 7 days later, it was reinstated when the county's color changed. On Monday, several parents say they were confused when they compared what the school district was saying with what they were seeing on the COVID-19 map.
I feel that there's really no evidence that even shows why we moved up to the orange. So again, I kind of feel like maybe there's some flaws in that system.
Superintendent Ryan Sachs says he agrees.
Being able to use the color code map was very tricky. It was kind of confusing because on a given, let's say Monday, it could be orange, and then on Tuesday or Wednesday, that Monday orange color could now be gold.
This new change in policy is designed to prevent further confusion. Sachs also says another issue they are working to prevent with the change is the number of students being quarantined at home, preventing them from participating in person.
The number of quarantines was getting much larger. We had well over 100 quarantines yesterday across the county, and so that was exacerbating an issue of keeping kids out of the classroom, and we want to protect that opportunity as much as possible.
The board will no longer be following the map for their protocol, which is expected to prevent further increase in quarantines.
And the board did consult health officials before making this decision, and they're expected to revisit this item on February 1st, 2022. Reporting live in Huntington, Lane Ball, 13 News, working for you.